Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send audio files like songs or music on Facebook Messenger using your phone. So let's dive right in. Okay, so first, open any file manager on your phone, depending on your device. And then you have to simply select the audio section from here. From here, find the audio you wanted to send. Once you find it, simply hold it, depending on your device. And then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Share. And you will see multiple apps here. Simply tap on Messenger Chats. Now select the chat or person you wanted to send the audio file to. You will see the audio file appear in the chat. Once it's sent, your friend can now listen to the file directly in Messenger. And that's it. You have just learned how to send audio or music files through Facebook Messenger in a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.